What if the universe is teeming with life and we're just one small part of a much larger story? Imagine standing on a distant world, gazing up at a sky filled with unfamiliar stars, knowing that somewhere out there, another civilization might be doing the same. Today, we're diving into the mysteries of space to explore 25 planets that scientists believe could be habitable. These worlds, scattered across the cosmos, hold the tantalizing possibility of life beyond Earth. From rocky planets bathed in the glow of red dwarf stars to distant Earth-like worlds orbiting suns similar to our own, each of these discoveries pushes the boundaries of what we know about the universe. In this video, we'll uncover what makes a planet habitable, from the presence of liquid water to the stability of its atmosphere, and take a closer look at the incredible diversity of these distant worlds. So, get ready to embark on a journey that will ignite your curiosity and leave you wondering what else might be waiting for us among the stars. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on the possibilities of life beyond our pale blue dot. Now turning to our first destination, let's explore Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet to Earth, located just 4.24 light-years away. This rocky world orbits within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star, meaning it could potentially have the right conditions for liquid water to exist. But here's where things get interesting. Proxima Centauri b faces some unique challenges. Because it's so close to its star, it's likely tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet is always facing the star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. This could create extreme temperature differences, making habitability tricky. On top of that, Proxima Centauri is known for its intense stellar flares, which could bombard the planet with harmful radiation. Despite these hurdles, scientists are incredibly excited about this planet. Its proximity to Earth makes it a prime candidate for future exploration, and who knows, it might just hold the key to answering one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone in the universe? As we move forward, keep this world in mind. It's a reminder that even the closest stars might hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. Now turning to our next destination, let's dive into TRAPPIST-1e, an Earth-sized planet located in the fascinating TRAPPIST-1 system. This system is home to not just one, but 7 potentially habitable planets, making it one of the most exciting discoveries in the search for life beyond Earth. TRAPPIST-1e, in particular, stands out as a prime candidate. It's a rocky world much like our own, and it orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures could allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. What's even more intriguing is its relatively stable climate, which could make it a more hospitable environment compared to other exoplanets. Scientists are particularly excited about this system because of its compact nature. The planets are close to each other, almost like a cosmic neighborhood. This proximity could make it easier to study multiple worlds in one go, giving us a wealth of information about how planets form and evolve. TRAPPIST-1e, with its Earth-like size and potential for liquid water, has captured the imagination of researchers and space enthusiasts alike. Could this be the world where we finally find signs of life? As we continue our journey, this planet reminds us that the universe is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. Now turning to our next discovery, let's explore Kepler 452b, often referred to as Earth 2.0. Located 1,400 light-years away, this planet has captured the attention of scientists and dreamers alike for its striking similarities to our own world. Kepler 452b is roughly 60% larger than Earth, placing it in the category of a super-Earth. But what makes it truly remarkable is its orbit. It circles a star very much like our Sun, and it does so within the habitable zone, the sweet spot where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. This means that, just like Earth, Kepler 452b could have the right conditions to support life. The star it orbits is also older than our Sun, which raises fascinating questions about how life might have evolved there over billions of years. The discovery of Kepler 452b was a milestone in astronomy, as it reinforced the idea that Earth-like planets are not rare in the universe. It's a reminder that out there, among the stars, there could be worlds that feel strangely familiar, waiting for us to uncover their secrets. Could Kepler 452b be a second home for humanity, or even a world where life has already taken root? As we continue our journey through the cosmos, this planet stands as a beacon of hope and curiosity, urging us to keep searching for answers. Now turning to our next fascinating discovery, let's dive into LHS 1140b, a super-Earth located just 49 light-years away. This intriguing planet orbits within the habitable zone of a red dwarf star, a type of star known for its longevity and stability. What makes LHS 1140b stand out is its dense atmosphere, which scientists believe could be thick enough to trap heat and maintain a stable climate. This raises the exciting possibility of liquid water existing on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What's even more compelling is that LHS 1140b is one of the most promising candidates for habitability in its star system. Unlike some planets orbiting red dwarfs, which face harsh stellar flares and radiation, LHS 1140b appears to be relatively shielded thanks to its thick atmosphere. This makes it a prime target for future studies, as scientists are eager to determine whether it could host life. The planet's size and composition also suggest it could have a rocky surface, similar to Earth, further fueling the excitement. Could LHS 1140b be a world teeming with life, or even a future destination for humanity? As we continue to explore the cosmos, this super-Earth reminds us of the incredible diversity and potential of the worlds waiting to be discovered. Now turning to our next cosmic wonder, let's explore Teegarden star B, an Earth-like planet orbiting a nearby red dwarf star. Located just 12 light-years away, this intriguing world sits comfortably within its star's habitable zone, where conditions could be just right for liquid water to exist. What makes Teegarden star B particularly fascinating is its potential for a stable climate, a rare feature among planets orbiting red dwarfs, which are often prone to extreme stellar activity. However, studying Teegarden star B comes with its own set of challenges. The star it orbits is incredibly faint, making it difficult for astronomers to gather detailed data about the planet's atmosphere or surface conditions. Despite these hurdles, the discovery of Teegarden star B has sparked excitement in the scientific community. Its proximity to Earth and its location in the habitable zone make it a prime candidate for future exploration, especially as technology advances and our ability to observe faint star systems improves. Could this distant world hold the key to understanding habitability around red dwarf stars? As we continue to peer into the cosmos, Teegarden star B stands as a reminder of the endless possibilities waiting to be uncovered. Now turning to our next celestial marvel, let's journey to Kepler 62f, a distant exoplanet located approximately 1,200 light-years away from Earth. This fascinating world is part of the Kepler 62 system, a star system that has captured the attention of astronomers for its potential to host habitable planets. Kepler 62f is particularly intriguing because of its size and orbit, which place it firmly within the habitable zone of its star. This means it receives just the right amount of energy to potentially support liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler 62f stand out is its striking resemblance to Earth. It's about 1.4 times the size of our planet, making it a super-Earth, and it orbits its star in roughly 267 Earth days. While its exact composition remains a mystery, scientists believe it could have a rocky surface, much like Earth, and possibly even an atmosphere. The discovery of Kepler 62f was a significant milestone for the Kepler mission, as it highlighted the potential for finding Earth-like worlds in distant star systems. However, studying Kepler's 62F comes with its own set of challenges. Its immense distance makes it difficult to gather detailed information about its atmosphere or surface conditions. Despite these obstacles, the planet's location in the habitable zone and its Earth-like characteristics have made it one of the most promising candidates for habitability discovered by the Kepler mission. Could Kepler 62F be a distant cousin of Earth, harboring the conditions necessary for life? As we continue to explore the cosmos, this distant world reminds us of the vast possibilities that lie beyond our solar system. Now turning to our next cosmic neighbor, let's explore Wolf 1061c, a super-Earth located just 14 light-years away from us. This makes it one of the closest known potentially habitable exoplanets, sparking immense excitement among astronomers. Wolf 1061c orbits a red dwarf star, and its rocky composition places it firmly within the habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. What makes this planet particularly fascinating is its proximity to Earth. At just 14 light-years away, it's relatively close in astronomical terms, offering a unique opportunity for detailed study. However, its close orbit to its star presents some challenges. Wolf 1061c completes an orbit in just 18 Earth days, meaning it's much closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. This proximity could lead to tidal locking, where one side of the planet always faces the star, creating extreme temperature differences between its day and night sides. Despite these challenges, Wolf 1061c remains a prime candidate for habitability. Its rocky surface and location in the habitable zone suggest it could have the right conditions to support life. The excitement surrounding this planet lies in its potential for future exploration. With advanced telescopes and missions on the horizon, scientists hope to gather more data about its atmosphere and surface conditions. Could Wolf 1061c be a nearby haven for life, or does its close orbit make it too extreme? As we continue to study this intriguing world, it reminds us that the search for habitable planets is closer to home than we might think. Now turning to another fascinating world, let's explore Gliese 667cc, a planet located 24 light-years away in a triple-star system. This unique exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its primary star, making it a strong candidate for potential habitability. What sets Gliese 667cc apart is its location in a system with not one, but 3 stars, creating a dynamic and complex environment. The planet's rocky surface and position in the habitable zone suggest it could have the right conditions for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. However, the presence of multiple stars introduces both challenges and opportunities for scientists. The gravitational interactions between the stars could affect the planet's climate and stability, potentially leading to extreme weather patterns or unusual orbital dynamics. On the other hand, the triple star system offers a rare chance to study how planets form and evolve in such complex environments. One of the most intriguing aspects of Gliese 667cc is its potential to host life despite the complexities of its stellar neighborhood. Scientists are particularly interested in understanding how its atmosphere might retain heat and water, given the varying levels of radiation from the 3 stars. Could this planet's unique conditions create a stable environment for life, or do the challenges of a multi-star system make it too unpredictable? As we continue to explore this distant world, it reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and the search for habitable planets often leads us to places we never imagined. Now turning to another remarkable discovery, let's explore Kepler 1649c, an Earth-sized planet located 300 light-years away. This fascinating world has captured the attention of scientists due to its striking similarities to our own planet. Kepler 1649c is almost the same size as Earth, and it orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where conditions could be just right for liquid water to exist. What makes this planet particularly exciting is its orbit, which closely resembles Earth's in terms of stability and duration. This means it receives a similar amount of energy from its star, raising the possibility of a climate that could support life. The discovery of Kepler 1649c was a thrilling moment for astronomers, as it serves as a powerful reminder that Earth-like planets are not as rare as we once thought. The planet's detection was a bit of a happy accident. Initially overlooked by automated algorithms, it was later identified by researchers reviewing old data from the Kepler mission. This discovery highlights the importance of human intuition and persistence in the search for habitable worlds. Kepler 1649c stands as a testament to the potential for life-sustaining planets scattered throughout our galaxy, waiting to be found. As we continue to study this distant world, questions arise about its atmosphere, surface conditions, and the possibility of life. Could Kepler 1649c be another Earth teeming with life, or is it a barren world with untapped potential? The answers lie in future observations and missions, but for now, this planet reminds us that the universe is vast and the search for habitable worlds is far from over. Now turning to another intriguing world, let's dive into HD 40307G, a super-Earth located 42 light-years away. This planet, which orbits within the habitable zone of its star, has sparked significant interest among scientists due to its potential to host conditions suitable for life. HD 40307G is about 7 times the mass of Earth, placing it in the category of super-Earths, and its location in the habitable zone raises the tantalizing possibility of liquid water on its surface. One of the most fascinating aspects of this planet is the potential for a thick atmosphere. Scientists believe that HD 40307G could have a dense atmosphere, which might help regulate temperatures and create a stable environment. However, studying such a distant world comes with its own set of challenges. The planet's star is relatively dim, making it difficult to gather detailed data about its atmosphere and surface conditions. Despite these obstacles, researchers remain hopeful that advancements in technology will allow us to uncover more about this distant world in the future. The potential habitability of HD 40307G is a topic of great excitement. Could this super-Earth be home to a thick, life-sustaining atmosphere, or does it present a more hostile environment? While we don't yet have all the answers, the discovery of HD 40307G reminds us of the incredible diversity of planets in our galaxy and the endless possibilities for finding worlds that could support life. As we continue to explore the cosmos, planets like this one keep the dream of discovering extraterrestrial life alive, urging us to look further and dig deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Now turning to another fascinating discovery, let's explore K218b, an exoplanet located 124 light-years away. This distant world has captured the attention of scientists due to its potential water vapor atmosphere, a rare and exciting feature that could hint at the presence of liquid water. K218b is classified as a super-Earth with a mass about 8 times that of our own planet, and it orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be just right for life to thrive. What makes K218b particularly intriguing is the detection of water vapor in its atmosphere, a groundbreaking discovery that has fueled speculation about its potential habitability. While the presence of water vapor doesn't guarantee life, it does raise the possibility of a stable climate and even oceans on its surface. However, studying this distant world is no easy task. K218b's star is a red dwarf which emits less light and heat compared to our Sun, making it challenging to gather detailed information about the planet's atmosphere and surface conditions. Despite these challenges, the discovery of K218b has opened up new avenues for research and exploration. Could this distant world be home to a water-rich environment, or does its thick atmosphere create a more extreme and inhospitable climate? While we don't yet have all the answers, K2-18b serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of planets in our galaxy and the endless possibilities for finding worlds that could support life. As we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, planets like this one keep the dream of discovering extraterrestrial life alive, urging us to look further and dig deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Now turning to a world much closer to home, let's take a closer look at Ross 128b, an Earth-sized exoplanet located just 11 light-years away. This makes it one of the nearest potentially habitable planets to our solar system, sparking excitement among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Ross 128b orbits a red dwarf star, and while red dwarfs are known for their frequent stellar flares, this particular star is unusually quiet, which could mean a more stable environment for the planet. What makes Ross 128b particularly promising is its location within the habitable zone, where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist on its surface. While the planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star and the other remains in perpetual darkness, scientists believe that a thick atmosphere could help distribute heat and create conditions suitable for life. Its proximity to Earth also makes it a prime candidate for future exploration, as it's close enough for more detailed observations with next-generation telescopes. The discovery of Ross 128b has opened up exciting possibilities for studying a potentially habitable world right in our cosmic backyard. Could this planet host a stable climate or even life? While we don't yet have all the answers, Ross 128b reminds us that the search for habitable worlds isn't limited to distant corners of the galaxy. Sometimes the most intriguing discoveries are closer than we think, waiting to be explored. As we continue to peer into the stars, planets like Ross 128b keep the hope alive that we might one day find a world not so different from our own. Now turning to a planet that holds a special place in the history of exoplanet discovery, let's explore Kepler-22b, a world located 600 light-years away from Earth. This distant exoplanet was one of the first potentially habitable planets identified by the Kepler mission, marking a significant milestone in our search for life beyond our solar system. Kepler-22b orbits within the habitable zone of a star similar to our Sun, where conditions might allow liquid water to exist on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler-22b particularly fascinating is its size, which is about 2.4 times that of Earth. This places it in a category known as a super-Earth, a type of planet that's larger than our own but smaller than gas giants like Neptune. Its orbit around its star takes approximately 290 days, which is remarkably close to Earth's 365-day year. This similarity raises intriguing questions about the planet's climate and potential for hosting life. The discovery of Kepler-22b was a game-changer for astronomers, as it provided early evidence that habitable planets could exist around Sun-like stars. While we don't yet know if Kepler-22b has an atmosphere or surface conditions conducive to life, its discovery opened the door to a new era of exoplanet research. It reminded us that the universe is filled with possibilities, and that planets like this one could be the key to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the cosmos? As we continue to study Kepler-22b and other distant worlds, each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the vast tapestry of the universe and our place within it. Now turning to GJ357d, a super-Earth located just 31 light-years away, this planet has captured the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Orbiting within the habitable zone of its star, GJ357d is a prime candidate for potentially hosting liquid water, a critical ingredient for life as we know it. What makes this planet particularly intriguing is its size, which is about 6.1 times the mass of Earth, placing it firmly in the super-Earth category. This means it could have a rocky surface, much like our own planet, but with a much thicker atmosphere. The possibility of a dense atmosphere on GJ357d raises exciting questions about its climate and potential habitability. A thick atmosphere could help regulate temperatures, making it more likely to sustain liquid water and perhaps even life. However, the planet's close proximity to its star also means it could experience extreme tidal forces, which might affect its surface conditions. Despite these challenges, the discovery of GJ357d has sparked a wave of excitement in the scientific community, as it represents one of the closest potentially habitable worlds we've found so far. What's truly remarkable about GJ357d is its relative proximity to Earth. At just 31 light-years away, it's close enough to be a target for future telescopic observations and even potential missions. Scientists are eager to study its atmosphere, if it exists, to determine whether it contains signs of life or the building blocks necessary for it. This planet serves as a reminder that the search for habitable worlds is not just about distant, unreachable stars. It's also about the possibilities that lie within our cosmic neighborhood. As we continue to explore GJ357d and other nearby exoplanets, each discovery brings us closer to answering the profound question of whether we are alone in the universe. Now turning to TOI 700d, an Earth-sized planet located 100 light-years away, this world has quickly become a standout in the search for habitable exoplanets. Discovered by the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, TOI 700d orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions could allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. This makes it a prime candidate for further study in the quest to find worlds capable of supporting life. What makes TOI 700d particularly exciting is its size. It's roughly the same as Earth, which increases the likelihood of it having a rocky surface similar to our own planet. This similarity raises the tantalizing possibility that it could host an atmosphere and potentially liquid water. Scientists are especially intrigued by the planet's stable orbit and the fact that it receives just the right amount of energy from its star to maintain a temperate climate, assuming it has the right atmospheric conditions. The discovery of TOI 700d by the TESS mission marks a significant milestone in exoplanet research. TESS, designed to scan the skies for planets orbiting nearby stars, has proven to be a powerful tool in identifying worlds that could harbor life. TOI 700d is one of the first Earth-sized planets found by TESS within its star's habitable zone, and its discovery has opened up new avenues for studying potentially habitable worlds. As researchers continue to study TOI 700d, they hope to learn more about its atmosphere and surface conditions. Future observations could reveal whether this planet has the ingredients necessary for life, such as water vapor or even signs of biological activity. The implications of such findings would be profound, offering new insights into the prevalence of life-sustaining planets in our galaxy. TOI 700d serves as a reminder that the search for habitable worlds is not just about distant, unreachable stars. It's also about the possibilities that lie within our cosmic neighborhood waiting to be uncovered. Now turning to Kepler 438b, an Earth-sized planet located 470 light-years away. This world presents a fascinating mix of promise and peril in the search for habitable exoplanets. Kepler 438b orbits a red dwarf star, a type of star known for its frequent and intense stellar flares. These flares, while common for red dwarfs, pose significant challenges for the planet's potential habitability. Despite this, Kepler 438b remains a compelling candidate in the hunt for life beyond Earth. What makes Kepler 438b particularly intriguing is its rocky surface, which suggests it could have a solid ground similar to Earth. This rocky composition increases the likelihood of the planet having a stable environment, at least in terms of its physical structure. However, the intense stellar activity from its host star creates a harsh environment, bombarding the planet with radiation and potentially stripping away its atmosphere over time. This raises questions about whether Kepler 438b could maintain the conditions necessary for liquid water or even life to exist. Despite these challenges, scientists remain hopeful. The planet lies within its star's habitable zone, where temperatures could theoretically allow for liquid water if the right atmospheric conditions are present. Researchers are particularly interested in studying how Kepler 438b's atmosphere, if it exists, might interact with the star's radiation. Could it shield the planet from the worst effects of the flares, or would it be too thin to offer any protection? These are the questions that drive ongoing research into this distant world. The discovery of Kepler 438b serves as a reminder of the complexities involved in identifying habitable planets. While it faces significant obstacles, its Earth-like size and location in the habitable zone make it a valuable target for further study. As scientists continue to explore this intriguing world, they hope to uncover more about its potential to support life, even in the face of its star's relentless activity. Kepler 438b stands as a testament to the resilience of planets in the cosmos and the enduring hope that life may exist in even the most challenging environments. Now turning to Kepler 442b, an Earth-sized planet located 1,200 light-years away. This world offers another exciting glimpse into the possibilities of habitability beyond our solar system. Kepler 442b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where temperatures could allow for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. This crucial factor makes it a prime candidate in the search for life-sustaining worlds. What sets Kepler 442b apart is its striking similarity to Earth. Not only is it roughly the same size, but it also receives a comparable amount of starlight, which could mean conditions similar to those on our own planet. Scientists believe that if Kepler 442b has a stable atmosphere, it could potentially support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The planet's location in the habitable zone, combined with its Earth-like characteristics, has sparked significant excitement among researchers. However, like many exoplanets, Kepler 442b faces challenges. Its host star is a red dwarf known for its intense stellar activity, which could pose risks to the planet's atmosphere and surface conditions. Despite this, the planet's potential for habitability remains a compelling area of study. Scientists are particularly interested in understanding how its atmosphere, if present, might mitigate the effects of its star's radiation and maintain a stable environment. The discovery of Kepler 442b has added to the growing list of Earth-like planets that could potentially harbor life. Its similarities to our own world, combined with its location in the habitable zone, make it a fascinating subject for further exploration. As researchers continue to study this distant planet, they hope to uncover more about its potential to support life and deepen our understanding of the diversity of habitable worlds in the universe. Kepler 442b stands as a testament to the incredible possibilities that lie beyond our solar system, fueling our curiosity and driving the search for life among the stars. Now turning to HD 85512b, a super-Earth located just 36 light-years away, this planet offers another intriguing possibility in the search for habitable worlds. HD 85512b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. This makes it a strong candidate for further study in the quest to find life beyond Earth. What makes HD 85512b particularly interesting is its potential for a stable climate. Scientists believe that if the planet has a thick atmosphere, it could help regulate temperatures and create an environment conducive to liquid water. This, combined with its location in the habitable zone, raises the exciting possibility that HD 85512b could support life as we know it. However, studying this distant world comes with its own set of challenges. Being 36 light-years away means that gathering detailed information about its atmosphere and surface conditions is no easy task. Additionally, its host star, a K-type star, is slightly cooler and dimmer than our Sun, which could influence the planet's climate in ways that are still not fully understood. Despite these challenges, HD 85512b remains a fascinating target for astronomers, offering valuable insights into the potential for habitability in other star systems. The discovery of HD 85512b adds to the growing catalogue of exoplanets that could potentially harbor life. Its location in the habitable zone and the possibility of a stable climate make it a compelling subject for future exploration. As scientists continue to study this distant world, they hope to uncover more about its potential to support life and deepen our understanding of the diverse conditions that could exist on planets beyond our solar system. HD 85512b stands as a reminder of the vast possibilities that await us in the cosmos, driving our curiosity and inspiring the ongoing search for life among the stars. Now turning to Kepler 186f, an Earth-sized planet located 500 light-years away, this distant world holds a special place in the history of exoplanet discoveries. Kepler 186f was one of the first Earth-sized planets found within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. This groundbreaking discovery marked a significant milestone in our search for potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. Kepler 186f orbits a red dwarf star which is cooler and dimmer than our Sun. Despite this, the planet's location in the habitable zone raises the exciting possibility that it could support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Its Earth-like size further adds to its intrigue, as it suggests that the planet could have a rocky surface similar to our own. However, the challenges of studying Kepler 186f are considerable. Being 500 light-years away means that gathering detailed information about its atmosphere and surface conditions is incredibly difficult. Additionally, red dwarf stars are known for their intense stellar activity, which could impact the planet's climate and habitability. Despite these challenges, Kepler 186f remains a fascinating subject for astronomers, offering valuable insights into the potential for life on Earth-sized planets in other star systems. The discovery of Kepler 186f has inspired scientists to continue searching for similar worlds. Its status as one of the first Earth-sized planets found in a habitable zone has paved the way for future discoveries and deepened our understanding of the diverse conditions that could exist on distant planets. As we explore further, Kepler 186f serves as a reminder of the incredible possibilities that lie beyond our solar system, fueling our curiosity and driving the ongoing quest to find life among the stars. Now turning to Titan B, an Earth-sized planet located just 12 light-years away, this nearby world offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for habitability close to home. Titan B orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where temperatures could allow for the presence of liquid water on its surface. This makes it one of the most promising candidates for future exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life. What sets Titan B apart is its proximity to Earth. At just 12 light-years away, it's one of the closest potentially habitable planets we've discovered. This relatively short distance opens up exciting possibilities for studying its atmosphere and surface conditions in greater detail, something that's much more challenging with more distant exoplanets. Scientists are particularly interested in whether Titan B could have a stable climate, which would be a crucial factor in its ability to support life. Titan b orbits a red dwarf star, which, like many of the stars we've discussed, is cooler and dimmer than our Sun. While this means the planet receives less energy, its location in the habitable zone suggests it could still maintain conditions suitable for liquid water. However, red dwarf stars are also known for their intense stellar activity, which could pose challenges for habitability. Despite this, Titan b's proximity to Earth makes it a prime target for future missions and observations. The discovery of Titan b has sparked significant interest in the scientific community. Its Earth-like size and potential for a stable climate make it a compelling subject for further study. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Titan b stands out as a reminder that habitable worlds might be closer than we think, offering hope that we may one day find life just a short cosmic distance away. Now turning to GJ 1214b, a super-Earth located 48 light-years away, this intriguing planet presents a unique set of challenges and possibilities in the search for habitable worlds. GJ 1214b is known for its thick atmosphere, which has made it a fascinating subject for astronomers. Unlike many other exoplanets, this dense atmosphere makes it difficult to study the planet's surface directly, as it obscures our view and complicates observations. However, this very feature also raises intriguing questions about what might lie beneath. The thick atmosphere of GJ 1214b is believed to be composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, with possible traces of water vapor. This dense shroud creates extreme pressure conditions on the planet's surface, which could make it inhospitable for life as we know it. Yet, scientists have not ruled out the possibility of habitability entirely. Some theories suggest that beneath this oppressive atmosphere, GJ 1214b could have a solid surface with conditions that might support life, especially if it has a stable internal heat source or geothermal activity. One of the biggest challenges in studying GJ 1214b is its proximity to its host star. The planet orbits very close to its star, completing a full orbit in just over 1.5 Earth days. This close orbit means the planet is likely tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing the star and the other side in constant darkness. Such conditions could create extreme temperature differences, further complicating the potential for habitability. However, the thick atmosphere might help distribute heat more evenly, potentially mitigating some of these extremes. Despite these challenges, GJ 1214b remains a compelling target for further study. Its thick atmosphere offers a unique opportunity to learn more about the atmospheric dynamics of super-Earths, a class of planets that are larger than Earth but smaller than gas giants. As we continue to refine our techniques for studying exoplanets, GJ 1214b stands as a reminder that even in the most extreme environments, the potential for habitability cannot be entirely dismissed. This super-Earth challenges our understanding of what makes a planet livable and pushes us to explore the boundaries of possibility in the cosmos. Now turning to Kepler 62e, an Earth-sized planet located approximately 1,200 light-years away, we find another fascinating candidate in the search for habitable worlds. This distant exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might allow liquid water to exist on its surface. The presence of liquid water is, of course, one of the key ingredients scientists look for when assessing a planet's potential to support life. Kepler 62e was discovered as part of the Kepler mission, a groundbreaking effort to identify Earth-like planets beyond our solar system. What makes this planet particularly exciting is its size, which is only about 1.6 times that of Earth, making it one of the most Earth-like planets discovered by the mission. Its location in the habitable zone, combined with its rocky composition, has sparked significant interest among astronomers and astrobiologists alike. The star that Kepler 62e orbits is slightly smaller and cooler than our Sun, which means the planet receives less intense radiation. This could create a more stable environment, potentially allowing for a milder climate. While we don't yet know the exact composition of Kepler-62e's atmosphere, its position in the habitable zone raises the tantalizing possibility that it could have a thick atmosphere capable of trapping heat and maintaining liquid water on its surface. One of the challenges in studying Kepler-62e is its immense distance from Earth. At 1,200 light-years away, direct observation of its surface or atmosphere is currently beyond our technological capabilities. However, the data gathered by the Kepler mission has provided valuable insights into its size, orbit, and potential for habitability. This discovery has fueled optimism that planets like Kepler-62e could be common in our galaxy, increasing the likelihood that life might exist elsewhere in the universe. Kepler-62e stands as a testament to the incredible progress we've made in the search for habitable worlds. Its discovery has not only expanded our understanding of the diversity of exoplanets, but also deepened our curiosity about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore the cosmos, planets like Kepler-62e remind us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. Now turning to Kepler-1638b, an Earth-sized planet located an astonishing 2,500 light-years away, we find yet another intriguing candidate in the ongoing search for habitable worlds. This distant exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might allow liquid water to exist on its surface. As we've seen with other planets, the presence of liquid water is a critical factor in assessing a world's potential to support life. Kepler-1638b was discovered by the Kepler mission, which has been instrumental in identifying Earth-like planets beyond our solar system. What makes this planet particularly noteworthy is its size, which is remarkably similar to Earth's, and its location in the habitable zone. These factors have made it a prime target for further study, as scientists aim to understand whether it could host the necessary conditions for life. The star that Kepler-1638b orbits is slightly cooler and smaller than our Sun, which could create a more stable environment for the planet. This stability might allow for a milder climate, increasing the chances of liquid water existing on its surface. While we don't yet know the exact composition of its atmosphere, its position in the habitable zone suggests that it could have the right conditions to support a thick atmosphere capable of retaining heat and maintaining liquid water. However, studying Kepler-1638b presents significant challenges due to its immense distance from Earth. At 2,500 light-years away, direct observation of its surface or atmosphere is currently beyond our technological capabilities. Despite this, the data collected by the Kepler mission has provided valuable insights into its size, orbit, and potential for habitability. This discovery has added to the growing list of Earth-like planets that could potentially support life, further fueling the excitement and curiosity surrounding the search for habitable worlds. Kepler-1638b serves as a reminder of the vastness of our galaxy and the incredible diversity of exoplanets it contains. Its discovery has not only expanded our understanding of the universe, but also deepened our sense of wonder about the possibilities that lie beyond our solar system. As we continue to explore the cosmos, planets like Kepler-1638b inspire us to keep searching for answers to one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? Now turning to Kepler-1544b, we find another fascinating Earth-sized planet located 1,100 light-years away. This distant world, discovered by the Kepler mission, has captured the attention of scientists due to its rocky surface and its potential to host liquid water. Like many of the planets we've explored, Kepler-1544b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where temperatures could allow water to exist in its liquid form, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler 1544b particularly intriguing is its similarity to Earth in terms of size and composition. Its rocky surface suggests it could have a solid ground, much like our own planet, which raises exciting possibilities about its potential to support life. While we don't yet know the specifics of its atmosphere, its position in the habitable zone hints at the possibility of a stable climate, which could be conducive to maintaining liquid water over long periods. The discovery of Kepler 1544b adds to the growing catalogue of Earth-like exoplanets that could potentially harbor life. Each new find like this one brings us closer to understanding the conditions necessary for habitability beyond our solar system. While the immense distance of 1,100 light-years makes direct observation challenging, the data gathered by the Kepler mission has provided valuable insights into its characteristics and potential. Kepler 1544b serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of planets in our galaxy and the ongoing quest to uncover worlds that might one day reveal signs of life. Its discovery not only expands our knowledge of the universe, but also fuels our curiosity about the possibilities that lie beyond our own cosmic neighborhood. As we continue to explore these distant worlds, each one brings us a step closer to answering the profound question, are we alone in the universe? Now turning to Kepler 296e, we arrive at the final planet in our journey through the cosmos. Located 1,200 light-years away, this Earth-sized world is another remarkable discovery made by the Kepler mission. Like many of the planets we've explored, Kepler 296e orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler 296e stand out is its size and its position in a system that hosts multiple planets. This Earth-sized world is part of a larger family of exoplanets, each with its own unique characteristics. Its location in the habitable zone suggests that it could have a stable climate, raising the possibility of liquid water on its surface. While we don't yet know the specifics of its atmosphere or surface conditions, the potential for habitability is undeniably exciting. The discovery of Kepler 296e is a testament to the incredible work of the Kepler mission, which has revolutionized our understanding of exoplanets. By identifying planets like this one, scientists have been able to piece together a clearer picture of the diversity of worlds that exist beyond our solar system. Kepler 296e, with its Earth-like size and promising location, adds to the growing list of planets that could potentially support life. As we reflect on the 25 planets we've explored, it's clear that the universe is teeming with possibilities. Each discovery, from the closest exoplanets to those thousands of light-years away, brings us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? Kepler 296e, like the others, serves as a reminder of the vastness of space and the endless potential for discovery that lies within it. Now turning to the conclusion of our cosmic journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the 25 planets we've explored. From the closest exoplanet, Proxima Centauri b, just 4.24 light-years away, to distant worlds like Kepler 296e, located 1,200 light-years from Earth, each planet has offered a unique glimpse into the possibilities of life beyond our solar system. These discoveries highlight the incredible diversity of worlds that exist in the universe: rocky planets, super-Earths, and even those orbiting multiple stars. Each one, with its own set of conditions and mysteries, reminds us of the vast potential for habitability in the cosmos. The significance of these findings cannot be overstated. Every planet we've discussed represents a step forward in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The search for habitable worlds is not just about finding life elsewhere. It's about expanding our knowledge, challenging our assumptions, and inspiring future generations to explore the unknown. These discoveries remind us that the universe is far more complex and wondrous than we could have imagined. As we close this chapter, we invite you to share your thoughts. Which of these 25 planets do you find most intriguing? Is it the Earth like Kepler 452b, the potentially water-rich K218b, or the nearby Ross 128b? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more space mysteries. The universe is vast, and the journey of discovery is far from over. Together, let's continue to explore the wonders that lie beyond our world.